Welcome to Lawrence of La Brea Repair Studio. What we're trying to do is recreating this area that was completely lost. Basically, this area was, we're reconfiguring the foundations first. This is how the foundation is being built. The original, we go across from the bottom to the top. That's how a loom is made. And then through this loom, recreating the loom this way, and then we have to fabricate it the same way going across. So that gives the strength to the fiber, that gives strength to the area that's been rewoven. Once the foundation is fixed, then we will go back in and reconstruct the original design. Basically, every yarn that was used would be replanted back in. We will reweave those sections and create the visual of the design. And now we have different means of production that we will be using to recreate whatever the client should need. Whether it's a small hole, whether it's a big repair area, whether it's reproducing the foundation or the edges or the bindings, all of that would be done at the client's request.